Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the SAT. First, familiarize yourself with the test's format, including its two main sections, evidence-based reading and writing, and math. Then, take a complete diagnostic practice test to pinpoint your initial score and areas needing improvement. This crucial first step helps you understand where to focus your efforts, saving you valuable study time. Next, dive into a systematic review of all subject matter. Dedicate specific time to reading comprehension, grammar rules, and the various math topics, from algebra to geometry. Crucially, use official practice questions provided by the College Board. These are the most accurate representation of the actual exam, ensuring your practice is highly effective and targeted. Developing strong test-taking strategies is vital. Practice managing your time effectively for each section, ensuring you don't spend too long on any single question. Work through practice sets under strict, timed conditions to simulate the actual test environment. Also, learn to identify and avoid common distractors, or trap answers, that the test designers often include. As you approach test day, consistently review your mistakes from practice tests to solidify your understanding. Take at least 3 to 5 full-length practice exams in the final weeks to build stamina and confidence. Finally, prioritize a positive mindset and ensure you get 8 to 9 hours of sleep the night before the exam for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.